Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the new changes that Amazon has made to its shipment policy, which will be effective from starting from like 1st April of this year. And first of all, we're going to talk about the things that can cause issues such as rerouting, rehandling, or reprocessing your inventory, which can further delay its availability on the platform. So first thing that Amazon mentions is that you should not delete shipment plan for which you already have approved. So next up, the thing is that you should not misroute your inventory, which means that if Amazon has allocated you a warehouse and then you send in your inventory to another warehouse, so Amazon has to reroute that inventory for you, and then it will charge you some money, and there will be a lot of process, a lot of delay for your inventory to be available on the platform. And next up is that you should not send in a shipment for which you already have cancelled or deleted the shipment plan for. So these are the things that can occur and can cause issues which I have mentioned. And now let's actually move to the guidelines that Amazon provides you that you should follow, and they assure you that you won't be facing these issues. So first of all, Amazon tells you to fill in all the necessary fields that are on the shipment plan, and you should need to provide the right amount of the shipment that you are sending and the content in it. And next up, Amazon tells you that you should send in a shipment which you have mentioned in the shipment plan. So that means that if you have, for example, you have mentioned that your quantity is 200, then you should send in that 200 units. You cannot send anything above or below that. All right, so third thing is that if you have a multiple destination shipment, so you cannot send all of your shipment to a single warehouse. But that means that if Amazon allocates you 2 warehouses, you should send in your shipment to both of those warehouses. You cannot send your shipment to one warehouse because that will cause a lot of problems. And also one more thing Amazon mentions is that you should not delete any part of that shipment. If you have a multiple destination, there will be multiple destination locations, and there will be multiple parts to that shipment plan. You cannot delete any one of them. All right, so another thing is that Amazon mentions that you should put your label on the box where they are visible, and Amazon employees can scan and identify if this thing belongs to this warehouse or it needs to go to another warehouse. All right, you might be thinking that these are all the old stuff. So what's new to these shipment policies? So what's new is that Amazon have changed their shipment acceptance period from 90 days to 30 days, which is going to cause a lot of problem for a lot of sellers, because not everybody can afford a shipment and not everybody is a hugely rich seller. So this is going to cause problem, and we can provide you solution to that once there will be more update to this. And also Amazon mentions that they are not going to accept your shipment if it's any late than 30 days. It's only they will accept your shipment only if you are sending your shipment through their partner carriers. In that case, if their partner carriers delay your shipment, they will accept it, otherwise they won't accept. So also they will send in compliance policy compliant warning to you that they say that they will suspend your ability to send in shipment if you continue the behavior of sending the shipment any late than 30 days. So that's also kind of a problem. So definitely we will provide you with the solution, and once there are more update to the shipment policy. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you like it, leave a like and comment down below, and for more updates and news you should subscribe to our channel. Until then, have a great day.